Hey guys, it's me, Person2, and today I'm going to be doing a penny experiment that my dad and I thought of. Basically, a day ago, he put a penny on a train track that's near our house, and this is what happened to the penny after it got ran over. Yeah, so basically, I'm going to be doing that with one penny, and then we'll see how it goes, and then I'm going to do 3 pennies at once and see how that goes. So yeah, I'll see you when we get to the train track. Okay guys, so we're heading over to the train track. Either we're going to make it in time, or the train's going to come by about now. Hey Dad.
Hi.
But yeah, it's coming closer. I heard it at least. I don't see it. I heard it. Unless it came from that way. I'm just going to get out of the way just in case it is coming from that way.
That would hurt.
Yeah, that would hurt. I don't think we'd be alive right now.
That would leave a mark.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I see it. It's coming. Yep, you can see it on camera. I think. Oh, that's coming quick. The penny's over there somewhere. I could, like, get back here now. Well, let's check on the penny. Okay guys, I was just walking down and then I found it. Is it hot, you think? Ow, yeah it is. You almost made me burn my finger, Dad. It's hot. Yeah, that's what happened to this penny. It's from 1994. Jeez, that got flattened. Holy crap. See you when I put all 3 pennies down. Okay guys, the train's coming by. Our pennies are down there and we'll go check up them once the train comes out. We'll just record the train coming. There we go. Now we'll go check up on the pennies. You guys, we found one. There it is. This one got so flattened, there's no mark anymore of anything. It's just flat. You could barely see something on this side. You guys, this is the one my dad did. This is the second one I'd done. Basically, this one was with 2 other pennies, and I couldn't find the other 2. But the funny thing was, this one was next to another one, and when the train went by, and I looked back at where I placed them, it left an imprint of a penny on the railroad track. It was pretty cool. Almost round, just except that part. This is like about a perfect oval, and that one's just messed up. So yeah, that's what happens when a train runs over a penny. Comment down below if you want to see me do random things like this. I would like to, but I don't have any more ideas. Well, if you liked the video, give me a sub. Bye.